After noting the ability of dandelion plants to grow through the pavement in the alley behind my house, I began to question if dandelions would be able to grow in the hostile tailings environment. I began to look into what allowed dandelions to grow effortlessly almost anywhere. Mycorrhizal fungi is said to form a symbiotic relationship with the plant, providing it with the nutrients necessary for growth, even in the most desolate environments. This information, along with my passion to see a positive change in the tailings industry, provoked me to find a way to apply this knowledge in the hopes that it would make phytoremediation a viable option in the tailings. Dandelion roots were ground and dissolved in distilled water to make a solution for the inoculation of soybean plants. Although the presence of the mycorrhizal could not be confirmed, the hope was that whatever substance was allowing the dandelions to grow would be transferred over to the soybean plants. Soybean plants were grown in sand, soil, and tailings material in order to evaluate the effect of mycorrhizal fungi on plant growth and its effect on the ability of plants to remediate the soil. For a 42-day growth period that included frequent watering with a mycorrhizal solution, the plant growth, mass, and root structure was evaluated, as well as the soil health and hydrocarbon levels. The outcome of the project proved to be in favor of the hypothesis, as it was observed that the addition of the mycorrhizal allowed a 113.04% height increase between the inoculated and uninoculated tailings tests. The average dry mass between the two tests also increased by 67.5%. As well, in all the samples treated with the dandelion root, a reduction or complete elimination of hydrocarbons was observed. The results of this project prove that this novel method of phytoremediation could serve as a fast, inexpensive, and very effective method of remediation, and could even lay the groundwork for reclamation. With the tailings currently covering 170 square kilometers, if the soybeans were to be harvested for biofuel after remediation, in the first year alone there would already be a greater than 10 million liters of potential biofuel. Using soybean plants as a natural means of remediation will also provide the added benefit of creating a carbon sink, which can help to further combat some pollution associated with the tailings. Overall, the results of this project were able to show that the soybean plants, with the addition of the dandelion root, would be an ideal source of remediation in the tailing sands, and that the process would go beyond just remediation into areas of reusable energy and pollution reduction.